Hello everyone, it's Dave Taylor at Web Media in Chester with this week's online marketing secret. And today I want to give you a quick insight of 6 reasons to consider migrating your website to the WordPress platform. Now, the first one is blogging and search engine optimization. Google has certainly had changes in the last 12-18 months, particularly around backlinks and the value of backlinks. But also it has increased its priority around original content on your website and the quality of that content. And the short explanation is that, in my view, being able to post blog posts directly onto your website is now an important part of getting a good high ranking on Google for a particular search term. And WordPress certainly allows you to blog and post blogs on your own website. So in terms of getting yourself visibility for your business, blogging is increasingly important because Google likes to see every time it sweeps your website that you've been posting up new and original content. So that's the first reason to consider WordPress. The second reason is that WordPress carries a really good content management system, otherwise known as a CMS. And what this means is that it makes it easy for you to control your content, to edit your content very quickly. And if I just go into a page, you can see that it's simply a case of clicking on a text panel, changing the text, saving it, and updating the page over here on this blue button. And the job is done. The edit is done. Just as easy to click on an image, click this cross to remove an image, insert a new image, save it again, update the page, and job done. So it's a really quick and effective content management system. The third reason is plugins. There are literally thousands of plugins available for WordPress sites. A lot of them are free of charge, and they add really useful functionality to your website. If I just go to plugins for a second, some of the popular ones are things like this simple image widget, which allows you to drop images into a sidebar. But there are things like contact forms and social media widgets, and all kinds of things that are going to make the user experience for your customers greater, and then that means that they're happier on your site, and that means they're more likely to convert into an inquiry or ultimately into a sale. So that's another good reason for WordPress, because of the plugins you can get for your website. The next reason is design themes, and you can buy design themes online for your WordPress site. WordPress comes with a very basic design theme, but it's not really good enough for a business website. So you can go to a site like this and you can see down this right hand menu that there are design themes by type. Let's click on corporate, for example, and this first design theme. You can see a live preview of the design theme in action before you buy it, and so on. So there are loads of design themes available for WordPress out there. The fifth reason to consider WordPress is user control. Basically what this means is that you as the business owner remain as the administrator for the website, and you can do anything. You can moderate comments, you can change and edit content, you can do anything on the site. But what you can also do on this left hand menu is you can specify adding a new user, and you can make that user restricted in what they can do, i.e. that they can't edit any of the pages on the website, but that they can post a new blog post, for example. And there are all kinds of restrictions that you can apply to different users. You each give them a login, their own login, and that enables them to log in and do whatever you've allowed them to do. So it's great in terms of multi-users for the site. So that's the fifth reason. The sixth reason is WordPress is actually free, and it's improving all the time. They're always bringing out updates with improvements. We're on about version 3.8.2 at the moment, and you can download it for free and basically install it. And the security of WordPress is getting better all the time, and there are plugins for additional security and backup and all kinds of things that you will need for a business website. So there we go. There's 6 reasons why I think you should consider, if you're not currently on WordPress, migrating your website to WordPress or building your new website on WordPress. That's it for this week. We'll see you next week for another online marketing secret. Until then, have a good week and bye-bye.